Model, 62-plate Vauxhall Movano F3500 L3H2 Cdti125 body, blue, panel van mileage, 308,904 engine, 2,299 cc 2.3125 PSE 4B transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. MAF sensor fault code, does not affect running or performance, it still has full power, simple plug and play repair if it bothers you. Grin condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 0 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, aircon EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.